Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
Hey everybody! What's up, guys? What? Welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs. Thank you so very much for being here for another episode. We're so very happy to be here with you. And you know how we always start off by saying welcome, welcome, welcome to all our new subscribers. Big ups to you. Thank you so very much for clicking that subscribe button. To all our returning residents, big ups to you. Thank you so much for being a part of the family, the entire Cufflinks family. Big ups. Thank you. Why else like that? Why you like that? Why your mouth push up like that? Okay, I don't know what's going on with Brian, but if you are watching the page and you're new, you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and just make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you know every time we drop a new video. Alright? Yeah, do that right now. Thank you. What?
You don't know, we're giving you fire, keeping it real, inspirational, educational.
You left out the fun.
I was gonna go the fun last.
Okay, sorry.
And of course the fun, so it's not fire alone, it's E-riff.
That's a good one.
Yeah. E-riff. Today we're E-riffing it.
Alright, so I'll work with it. But before we get into this video, guys, we want to take the time out to big up another YouTuber, one of our fellow YouTubers who have been doing some good work across this space and in this space. We're talking about none other than
Spencer's Vlog. Spencer's Vlog.
The Spencer's Vlog.
Let me make sure you can hear me properly. The Spencer's Vlog.
Yes, Theo and Andre, they're a married couple and they have their YouTube channel up and running. And guys, let me tell you, I watched a video the other day where Theola was pranking Andre and she was pranking him by messing with his food. And I'm saying, if me ever do that to Brian, after that he'd be like, but let me tell you guys, Andre, no matter what she
Hold on. Guys, you want to hear more about what the Spencers do?
Oh my God.
You really want to hear more? Let me give you the promo, guys. Head on over to the Spencer's Vlog for more.
There you go. All the information will be down
In a
below
world
in our description.
that is full of problems.
So you will see their link going
Comes
over.
the Spencer's Vlog. Husband, wife, couple, pranks, and so much more.
Crazy.
Spencer's Vlog, YouTube.
Big up
Check
Spencer.
description below.
You're done?
Me done.
Check them out, guys. Their link will be below in the description bar. Go on over, subscribe, watch their videos, like, comment, the whole works. Thank you guys so much.
Guys.
Yeah.
Support. We support them. You support them. You support us.
And they support
Share
us
love.
too.
Share love.
Yeah, they support us too. So big up Spencer's Vlog, Theola and Andre. Big ups to you.
We're all in this together.
Yeah.
We're in this together.
Alright, so we are doing part 2 to our is the topic I'm thinking of.
Okay.
So we're in this together, babe. So we are doing part 2 to the video, sex expectations versus reality. So this is going to be a quick part 2 because you know sometimes it quick.
This is the quickie version.
Yes, this is the quickie version of it.
Spicy and guaranteed to bring fulfillment.
What this man? Alright. So if you have not yet watched part 1, I'll put the suggestion up here. Go on ahead and watch it. You can watch it after this video.
No man, go watch it now. We wait.
Finish? No?
You can't finish already. You can't tell me say you watch it already. What? You watch it already? Tell me why not.
True. They watch it. Yeah, they watch it for true. Alright, so this is part 2. So you give me another expectation that you had versus the reality that we experienced. Let's talk about doing it in the dark.
Usually when you're growing up, you know,
it's so true.
You always hear say light turn off, or when your parents
turn
gone,
the lights down.
or I don't know that song. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
You know, when anything you've seen, a lot of shows, when you know, when I talk about them type of show, then I talk about normal show, mainstream show. When it came out to the couple, you see them going in the room, I just see like them knock off.
I know I hear things.
Yeah. So the expectation was a lot of things is going to be done in the dark, and that is where it should be reserved for. Not only an expectation where based on what we've seen, but the suggestions and based on what we've heard from older couples would be, you know, nighttime in the dark and you lock off the light, you don't need to see what you're doing. The Lord will help you, the Lord will guide you.
GPS!
You just do your thing, and again it stems from the whole feeling of it being wrong.
Yeah. You don't really want to see what you do. You want to do what you do, but not see what you do.
Yeah, because you might enjoy it too much or get caught up in it so much. So it's done in the dark, and you know, really and truly, if you're not careful, you subtly, in your subliminal consciousness, you start doing things only at night or in the dark. You lean towards, alright, night will come, maybe, you know.
And that's another expectation too, that, you know, night is reserved, sex is reserved for the night time. But no, our reality, no, I want to see sometimes, I want to see too. Yeah, when I always turn off the lights. And it is definitely not reserved for just nighttime. Any time of day. Yeah. Alright, another expectation versus reality. Now, for me, anybody who knows me, I know me personally, know that one of the things that I have always looked forward to the most about marriage was sex, because I knew I was saving myself.
You see, guys, they talk about the Bible saying that, you know, better to marry than burn.
I wasn't burning.
Sit down, them are wait to get married for feeling.
No, I wasn't burning. I was not burning all the time.
Yeah?
I was burning sometimes.
That's why you sit down and wait for. That's why
no,
you get married
I was
to me.
very much waiting on it.
That's why you get married to me.
And I used to say to the Lord, Lord.
And that's why you married me.
And
that's why you married me.
You want me to answer you?
Yes.
Of course, that's part of the reason.
No, me never ask you for a part of the reason. That's why you
No,
married
that's
me.
not the main reason. Right?
How big of a reason is it?
Stop bothering me. Right. So, you don't make me lose when I go say, turn your back, master. Turn your back, give me. So, I've always looked forward to having sex. Like, I'll talk to my friends and I'm like, oh my God, I can't wait. And then, when we were getting closer to marriage, I was just like over the moon, like, oh my God, finally. And I used to send Brian some message, you know, when we're leading up to the wedding. I said, wait, let's go and book your head. I can't wait for book you. But one of the conversations, shut up. One of the things that I never really spoke about, or I never really had the time or took the time out to really delve into that conversation, was the biology of it all, and the fact that
it may be an unpleasant experience.
Yeah, that the first time would have not been so.
So you get so excited and then you'll be like, okay, it's not as exciting as I thought it would have been.
Yeah, and I didn't know it would have been so uncomfortable and painful and the whole works. I never expected that. I mean, I knew, because you talk to people, and I knew that would have been a part of the equation, but me just the thing say, you know, first night, boom, bam, slam, yay! That wasn't the case.
I don't talk about sex. I didn't think about sex like that. I was walking the straight and narrow. I was thinking about how I'm gonna have a lovely companion.
You could have fooled me.
and
Him lie.
friendship, how it's going to evolve. And don't call me a liar, girl. And you know how we're gonna worship
You
together.
tell them the song we did on play reception.
How we're gonna worship together. I played the songs that I wanted to play were played at the reception. And you know how we're going to transcend the heavenlies. And,
you know, we should have done honeymoon song and read book that we should have done.
Just, you know, enjoy the hotel and the food and yeah.
The food.
Yep, I was focused on the long term. You're so carnal.
You're lucky. You're lucky. You're very lucky. Anyways, so that's number 2. Alright, so we talk about the experience not being so pleasant for the first encounter or for the first few encounters because of the biology of it all or the physiology of it all. Something like that? Physiology? Right, of it all. Yeah, this is my fact check. This is my Grammarly. This is my, all of that. Encyclopedia. Right. So, I thought that, you know, as soon as we get let through the gates and all of that, like, me think say, hey! Yeah, me think say me gonna be a little Jane and Tarzan, like, hey, how the picture of sex was painted growing up, especially in music, man, me start thinking going in my head all the things you me go do. Yeah, swing from the chandelier, jump off a yes, so this all of.
Why you there watch a Kirk Franklin? You there watch this music? You know you there watch it too.
No, right.
You want a revolution?
Yeah. You're wicked. But yeah, I thought that I was going to be a full-blown, it's Jane, right? I was going to be a full-blown Jane to my Tarzan, like right off the bat. Right off the bat. No, oh yeah.
I'm not a Tarzan, guys.
Anyway, but that was not really the case. That was not really the case. Because of course, you know, you're learning, you are getting comfortable with each other.
And John Smith to your Pocahontas.
And all of that. So that came on. That came later in the game, but not off the bat that I thought.
Yeah, guys. So the reality is it's a learning process.
Yes.
And if you are, whether or not you're a virgin or not, take time to learn your spouse. Take time to understand them, because even if you've had partners before, it will not be the same person. They'll not respond to the same things. They may not have the same erogenous zones. Boom! Bigger.
Yeah,
They may not have the same spots. And you want to take time to understand them, understand their body languages, understand their love languages, understand what it takes to make them tick. So don't just run out and think like, yeah, Asafa or Bolt, you can win same time and you're going to be on top of the game. I mean, it's an evolving game. It's a game that requires longevity. It's a game that requires stability,
and
sustainability.
Sometimes.
Yeah, but the whole process, I mean,
yeah.
Don't think you can master it and
like right off the bat, like I thought.
Yeah, and it shouldn't even be trying to prove, say, you're a master. It say, you go in and say, watch me on her tonight, I'm going to show her. Say, or she go in and say, alright, watch me on him tonight, I'm going to show. It should be the both of you trying to enjoy each other and enjoy each other's body. You don't have to be a proving thing, or, you know, especially if you're a virgin going in, you want to make sure get rid of your virgin tag quick. You want to make sure she say move from virgin to master real quick. Nah, that's not the case.
It's a learning curve.
It's a learning curve, and take your time, develop each other, develop the relationship, develop understanding each other. Yeah, today might be you focus on the upper body, tomorrow you focus on the lower body. Spend time. It's not a rush thing. No.
And talking about rush, one of the expectations or something that we heard, you know, was that when you finally get the permission from the Lord and the land, many things that we could have done it. We both thought we could have done it, because I mean, you're like, oh my God, finally! And so every chance you get, especially before the kids, yeah, we're not talking about after the kids, before the kids, you're just married and in that honeymoon phase and all of that. But then we quickly proved that we cannot done it, it will done we.
Right? Eat properly.
Yes.
No pun intended. Me say this already. If you're not consuming the right things to keep your body and to sustain, because it's a very physical act, it's a very, very rigorous act, and you need supplements, you need to take care of yourself.
Drink up
and you need to take care of yourself.
Yeah. And work out, stay fit, because it's exercise as well. And so if you're unfit, it's also going to play out in that way. So whatever you need to do in terms of keeping fit and healthy, whatever you need to, in Jamaica, we have a little mix up, you like a supplement and your oats and like a ting and ting.
Not ting soda, not the soda, not soda.
Not ting
we
as
love ting soda,
but not in that mix up, drink up. Right, so whatever you need to do to just keep your body in tip-top shape, you also need to take care of your body so that you can be able to function and carry out your duties properly and effectively and efficiently.
Pine and ginger. I don't know that. Where did that come from? There's a voice that said that.
Your voice.
Hear this bass. Don't mix me up, man. So yeah, guys. And I touched on this one and I spoke as an individual in one of my videos, but also the whole time factor, expectation. Yeah. What did you expect in terms of time?
Time, when you're growing up, especially when I was in high school, and you're hearing the songs, you say you must
go. People at all.
Yeah, you must go for like 1 hour, 2 hour, whole night, marathon, can't done.
2 hours later.
Me hear that whole night something already,
And I'm like, whole night?
Listen, me brethren, what buy supplements and rub on, and it make you last for you whole day.
Then
That not healthy.
Then you have somebody else do that for the whole day, service them for the whole day? No, sir.
Yeah, imagine how much blood you lose going to other vital organs.
Yeah, you must dizzy.
Yeah, well,
you must very dizzy. So yeah, based on
girl never turn up.
Oh God!
You couldn't go work that day then.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, so based on especially songs that were out there and songs that I was exposed to by, being in high school, taking bus, yes, we all know that Brian is Holy Ghost safe and sanctified, and yeah, you never hear no song yet, ever. Abasile alone, I always hear the songs them, right?
CC Winans.
Yeah, I'm sure. CC Winans?
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear CC a love song them?
Gospel.
Right, so I thought that it was like a proper marathon every night, all the time. You have to go for 1 hour or you're not doing good. But then the reality, 1 hour.
1 minute, 2 minute reality.
And then sometimes it depends on certain situations.
2.5 minutes.
30 seconds.
I was joking. Please tell the people you're joking.
I said it's sometimes.
I'm not having a video.
So guys, as it relates to time, so guys, as it relates to time, you grow up hearing that you must go for this whole long period of time. Sometimes it depends on the situation. Of course, you have quickies you want to just get it over with and gotta go about your business. So yes, based on our discussion, and I'm sure that a lot of you can relate, or some of you can relate, our expectations aren't always our reality. But we make the best of it, we have fun, and we just enjoy each other to the best of our ability. And as you grow with your partner, you get to know them more, and you get to know what works, what doesn't work, what makes them go he, what makes them go huh.
I think I'm Michael Jackson.
Yeah, so you learn along the journey, but enjoy the journey. It's a beautiful journey. It was made by God for us to enjoy, so enjoy the journey. And as we said in our previous video, a lot of times we go in with these whole heap of expectations and set up ourselves for disappointments. So just enjoy the process, enjoy your partner, get to know each other, and just have fun. Have fun.
In your sexual relation.
So
guys, like,
share,
subscribe,
tell
a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin, uncle, sister, brother, friend, to tell them friend. Yeah.
Thank you guys so very much for tuning in to another Stuff from the Cuffs.
Post in the chat.
Yeah, let us know what your expectations versus your reality was. Let's have a great conversation.
Yeah, for maybe helping somebody who is stepping in the wrong way, right?
Alright, thank you guys. We'll have another video for you soon. Bye.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that